We want to go and exercise our democratic rights and vote as we always do.
Yes.
Right.
How are you feeling about this whole election?
Well, we've done our best in the terms of campaign. The ball is in the people's courts. And I have confidence that the people of Kenya are going to speak loudly in favor of democratic change. Yes.
Well, I know you have been receiving reports, and there are those who are saying that they are going to the streams, and actually it is quite tedious even in identifying their polling stations.
It's all over the place. First, some stations opened late. Others, the process is a little bit too slow. I don't know why this is actually happening. We have some people's names not be identified electrically, and they have to revert to the manual register, and that's what we had said ourselves. And unfortunately, those who are posting it, I also found their names not in the. Are not being able to be identified, so they're beneficiaries of what they were posting.
Well, Mama, how do you feel about this election, and how is it different from all other elections?
Well, it's an exercise we have to go. I've voted very many times, and I'm going to vote again.
Are you excited?
Well, I'm excited. Yes, because an exercise comes once in 5 years.
Yes.
All Kenyans are excited.
Is
and
it
we are
any
hoping for
different
the best.
from all the other elections?
Not quite, but I know the results will be different.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Iyo ni miario ya imwe kwa imwe achiel kachiel kuma kuria Karen kuria muciĩ kwa Raila Odinga nĩ kũndũ ngĩcerete.